To add stroke to text in Canva, let's come over to our text tab here and click on add text box. We are going to paste in our text and we want to add stroke to this text. One thing you want to do is to go over to effects and you want to see the outline effects. Let's click on outline effects and go into colors. You can change the color of your outline, and if you click out of the color, you can increase the thickness of your stroke or decrease thickness of your stroke. And if it's too cluttered, you can come over to advanced text settings here and come to letter spacing and give it a little bit of space. You see, that made it spread out very well. You can increase it to 100 or leave it at 100 for a perfect stroke.